cap and gown, I ain't go to class. I'd rather die before I come in last. I ain't felt like this in a long time. I ain't felt like this in a long time. I ain't had shit in a long time. Just to feel like this, it took a long time, yeah. Just to feel like this, it took a long time, yeah. Just to look like this, it took a long time, yeah. Just to look like this, it took a long time, yeah. Hold up, I'm trying to do something right now. Just leave me alone, I gotta get caught, you know what I do. Leave me alone, we're gonna go to the side, we're gonna do that. Little black jean jacket, yeah. Got feet long on it, yeah. Got that bad bitch, yeah. Wanna fuck me, my homie, yeah. Got that bad bitch, yeah. Tryna fuck me, my homie, yeah. Shawty gon' suck to the money, yeah. I can't wait no die, yeah. Pay that bitch to the homie, yeah. I just fucked your daughter, yeah. I ain't even pass to the homie, yeah. We might ride ya, homie. We might rob ya, homie. We might rob ya, homie. I'd rather get caught with it than without it. Wake up and smell the motherfucking coffee. I'm about to put the boys in the car. I ain't felt like this in a long time. I ain't felt like this in a long time. I ain't had shit in a long time. Just to feel like this, it took a long time, yeah. Just to feel like this, it took a long time, yeah. Just to look like this, it took a long time, yeah. Just to look like this, it took a long time, yeah.
I've been to Atlanta.
Most definitely been to.
With who?
No cap and gown, I ain't go to class. I'd rather die before I come in last.
So you just send me your address, you just send me your address. You forget?
I ain't had shit in a long time. I ain't felt like this in a long time. I ain't felt like this in a long time. I ain't had shit in a long time. Just to feel like this, it took a long time, yeah. Just to feel like this, it took a long time, yeah. Just to look like this, it took a long time, yeah. Just to look like this, it took a long time, yeah. I ain't had shit in a long time. 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 Just to feel like this, it took a long time, yeah. Just to feel like this, it took a long time, yeah.
Wagwan, my people, Wagwan. Good morning. Hope you all are doing great. Shit. James, what's up? Going to drive home. I'll be back in 20 minutes. Sure, man. Sure. Yo, trader, what's up, man? What is good? What is good? What is good? We had news at GBP news at 2 a.m. We had GBP news at 2 a.m. So we should expect some wild stuff going on that side. And then today's gonna be a hectic day. Today is gonna be a hectic day for the dollar. It's gonna be hectic. Yeah, it's gonna be something. We got core CPI at 8:30 a.m. and then we got FOMC at 2 p.m. and then yeah, 2:30 also. It's gonna be nasty. It's gonna be nasty. So y'all watch out. Y'all watch out. Y'all watch out. What am I looking at this session? I'm looking at gold still. I'm looking at gold. We just took out Asia high. And yeah, yesterday's trade went out very well. Yesterday's trade actually went quite well. Almost got stopped out. Yeah, this actually scared me. Almost got stopped out, way too close to getting stopped out. Then prices rejected off of that inversion that we're actually looking at, the 15-minute inversion that I was so hesitant to actually buy from. Almost. And then prices reversed to actually hitting our TP. So that was nice. That was something else. That was something else. So yeah. And then now gold actually took out just took out Asia high. So yeah, that's interesting. That is interesting. And Voltaren inversion, you know your ICT, my man. Hey man, I try. So yeah, that's pretty much. I actually also wanted to look at the Eurusd today, but I don't know. We're gonna have to pay attention to the dollar index on what we're expecting for the day also, for me to actually be comfortable and actually taking that. I've been running away from pairs lately, just been focusing on gold. And then as you can see on the daily, we did take out that high, we did sweep that buy side, we did yeah. So yeah, we did sweep that buy side, and then as you can see at the moment we're in discount for the day. It might be a case where you're just creating discount price for the day, then you shoot up, or we might be going for this volume imbalance right there on the daily. We might tap into that, then maybe give us higher prices, or prices might just drop into this BC, maybe the consequent encroachment of this BC, then maybe reverse from that and then give us more higher prices to take out the 20 days high. But my next draw liquidity is actually the 20 days high and maybe hopefully the 40 days high. So that's what I have on the the dollar index. So with that being said, expecting more higher prices, switching to a 4-hour time frame. As you can see, we're already total souped on the H4 there. We did have a total soup there. External range liquidity to the internal range liquidity. So prices, as you can see, prices dipped below the consequent encroachment. We might be actually getting prices might reverse from this, so it might rebalance the whole thing and then give us higher prices. We might get higher prices on the dollar, so we're just gonna wait and see what's really happening. And looking at an intraday session, we already took out Asia low and manipulated lower into this BC here, which we tapped into it. So I would actually like to see prices give us more higher prices. I like to see some higher prices on the dollar index, and then which, with that being said, means I should expect some lower prices on this Euro USD, right? Which actually did the same thing, manipulated higher. Hopefully this is the high of the day, or maybe at least the London high that we created right now. So selling this wouldn't be a bad idea, to be honest. So I would actually be also looking at this trade, the Euro USD. Doesn't seem like a bad trade to actually take, as long as you don't close above that. As you can see, also this is a rejection block, right? Is this a rejection block? Everybody who is anyone who is very familiar with rejection block, is this a rejection block right here? Is that a rejection block? Because that looks like a rejection block for me. So with that being said, on the 30-minute, we got that rejection block, and so yeah. And also on the 15 minutes, we're in a CB, so should be expecting some lower prices, but I'll just wait for like a 5-minute market structure shift after the kill zone, which I think we already got actually. After the kill zone, there's the kill zone there. I think we already got the market structure shift. Yeah, we already did. After kill zone, have we? Yeah, I would consider this as a market structure shift with the CB. So selling here might not be a bad idea. It might not be a bad idea, right? Since we're still in a CB. But we gotta hope that the dollar index actually continue to give us more higher prices, because if it keeps tanking down, if it keeps fetching more lower prices to actually close the consequent encroachment of this, or rebalance the whole thing, which means the Euro USD might be also going a little bit higher first. So yeah, I'm looking for a UD CAD sell if it gives 50 minutes market structure shift. Yeah, I will go look at that in a few minutes. A part of me actually, no, this is nice, is also interested in actually taking a short-term sell on this, but before that I want to see a total soup above there. I actually want to see a total soup. I'm gonna set an alert. I actually want to see prices total soup up. I actually want to see prices total soup above that buy side, and then I'll be happy to actually take a sell from there. You know, if prices can actually total soup take out the previous day high, I would be happy to actually take a short-term sell to Asia low, or probably I can't say previous day low because it's way too down there. Probably, maybe, yeah. Main target might be previous day low. You know, that might be the next strong liquidity after we total soup the previous day high, but we'll see how that actually goes. But with the main looking at this, I think we should wait for a second market structure shift other than the ones that are already formed. We just took out the high again, so I think it's best if we actually wait for another market structure shift here with a fair value gap. So if you actually do that, might consider taking that trade, because if you're using the one that's already there, we should be executing now. But I'm just gonna wait for another one. And then trader said you're looking at AUD CAD, right? For a 15-minute market structure shift. Excuse me. To sell, we also total soup. I can see that. Price is just total soup the high there, and yeah, not bad. Also took out Asia high. Yeah. This also looks like a good trade to actually take. Not bad. So yeah, that 15-minute market structure shift would be nice. Where would you target if you're waiting for a 15-minute market structure shift? What's your target? Asia low, previous day low? Which one? Trader, which one? NZD CAD looking weak. May enter there. Oh, I'm guessing you're looking at the SMT now. Looking at the SMT. Yeah, it looks weak. It does, but AUD CAD seems more cleaner than it seems to be giving a cleaner, because it just total souped that. But yeah, man, anything. Simple 1:2. Okay. Davani, what's up, man? Wagwan. How's it going, my guy? Yeah. If you don't mind sending me trader, if you don't mind sending me your risk and reward chart, like your ideal entry on NZD CAD or AUD CAD on Telegram, if you don't mind. If you do not mind doing that, I just want to have an idea on what your target is, SL is, where you are actually willing to actually take that trade. I'm not sure if you're in the Telegram group channel. My link should be in the description of the Telegram channel. So yeah. Sheesh. Where did you cut gold yesterday? Hey man, I held personally. I held. First TP was at this high here, I took my first TP here at the high, and then I extended higher. My TP was a little bit higher. I think it was here, probably. I took out 50% of my trade here, and then left some run, and then I locked profits exactly there. So when prices came here, I was stopped out. So yeah, I wanted to see how far it could go. So technically, this is as far as I actually held the trade, because I put my TP here, and then when it got here I took 50% off, and then when we got there I actually locked profits there. So yeah, that is how it went. That is how the gold trade went, and I did record it there. Today it will hit upper order block. I'm still waiting for a total soup. If you total soup there, I might wanna actually sell it off. Upper order block, I don't know what you mean. It's talking about that one. Oh yeah, that was my target actually. I think so. Yeah, I was targeting somewhere here. Nah, I was targeting the bottom wick of this candlestick, of this daily candlestick. But if you get there today, that would be very interesting. That would be very interesting. Very, 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 very interesting. So we'll see how that goes. But at the moment, I'm just waiting for that turtle soup above the buy side to have a short-term sell. Trader said not yet, waiting for more confirmation. Alright, no problem. No problemo. Then as you can see, DXY is getting more lower prices. Still getting more lower prices, so I'm guessing the Eurusd is also getting more higher prices. So yeah, just gonna have to wait for the dollar index he gave us to finally test that BC, and then give us some reversal signs to feel comfortable selling this also. Else just gonna keep going up. Where you will enter above high? No, just on gold, I'm guessing, of course. Once we take out that high, I'm just gonna wait for a market structure shift. Right after we take out the high, I'm just gonna wait for a market structure shift. 15 minutes and 5 minutes. All these 3 time frames, 1 minute, 5 minutes. But I'd actually like to see it on a 5 minute at least, or 15. 5 minutes or 15 minutes, not 1 minute. Not 1 minute, at least 5 minutes or 15 minutes market structure shift to actually sell. So yeah, that's what we'll be waiting for. And then if we don't get the market structure shift, I want to take the trade. It's either that or at least 2 CBs. At least 2 CBs. After we take it out, I want to see 2 bearish fair value gaps. Then yeah. Please explain market structure shift. Once it get there. Simple, my guy. It is very simple. The market structure shift is very, very simple. Not complicated. There you get, it's that high that we're targeting there, right? And then let's just say price did this. No, what am I doing? Price did that, right? That's what price did, and then this is where we are, right? And then if price takes out that buy side liquidity that I'm targeting there, and then we start doing this, probably go a little bit higher, and then come back and take out a low, a swing low that we created after the sweep, after the buy side sweep. After we sweep here, any swing low that we create That's a market structure shift. Then you wait for price. Actually, price should create some inversion fair value gaps along the way here, or at least order blocks around here, which you can use as a breakout block, right? So any of them, Jesus Christ. So any of them, you're gonna use any of them to actually wait for price actually rebalance any fair value gap, then you can sell it off. There's what I'm looking for. This is what I'm waiting for. Prices to sweep buy side liquidity there, create a high, at least swing highs or whatever, and then create this swing low here. And then I want that swing low to be broken. That swing low should be broken, and then prices go retest at least a fair value gap or order block or a breaker block, whatever inefficiency that we get around here. I want price to go retest it, rebalance it, and then sell it off from there. So that's what I'll be looking for. Any shots from there after market structure shift. This is the market structure shift. I'll be waiting for short somewhere then and have my SL above the highs that we created. So those will be the ideal Davani. Yeah. Kif, what's up, man? Ali. What's good? I was thinking it'll grab liquidity upside. Yeah, that's what we were waiting for. Waiting for buy side liquidity to be swept to give us more lower prices. That's what we're waiting for. Excuse me. So yeah, that's what we're waiting for. It'll not, excuse me, it'll not move upside from there. I don't understand what you're saying. From where? From buy side liquidity that we highlighted from previous day high, from current price. When you say from there, what do you mean? When you say from there, what do you mean? From where exactly? It will not move upside from where? From buy side, it can. Prices can literally just take out buy side liquidity and then just use this as a probably a market structure shift or something like that on a higher time frame, probably on a 1 hour, and then continue giving us higher prices. That can happen. That can happen. But if you get a market structure shift, chances of it giving us are starting to reduce, right? If you get more bearish PDR, what is this, inefficiencies, PDRAs or whatever, prices is preparing to give us lower prices. So, you know, chances of it going up getting slimmer and slimmer. But if you don't get that, prices might just keep continuing up. I'm not saying if we take out buy side liquidity and get a market structure shift, that means we won't get more higher prices from there. No, it's the market. That can happen. From high, it'll grab liquidity below and move up. From high, it'll grab liquidity below and move up. It can happen too. That can happen too. Very possible. Very, very, very possible. Look at that rejection from the consequent encroachment of the CB. Eurusd should be falling. Finally getting something to work with on the Eurusd. Did you get a market structure shift? It's just an order block. There we got a market structure shift, but it's not the one that I would actually like to trade. And then that was the first inversion, which we actually tested. Crazy. So that is already played out. That's a CB. Where's my CB? So that actually already got that setup played out there. Market structure shift there, and then that's the first CB fair value gap that we created, and prices went in to actually test that, and then now we're dropping. So yeah, that might be the only trade confirmation that might play out, and then we might just drop from there as we're doing. So yeah, probably missed that. Definitely missed that. Most definitely. Because upside is more juicy. Like I said, man, anything can happen. Anything can happen. Anything can happen. Yeah, this, let's see how the trade was gonna be like, and then have like at least 8 pip SL or 10 pips to be safe, and then take at Asia low. This was gonna be not a bad trade. 10 pips TP, or you can just target the previous day low. Right, you can just aim to target that previous day low, but obviously have to take partials at Asia low and not profits. So this was, if we actually took the trade, was gonna be a very nice trade. Bro, what is the probability to recover the account from last? 0.5% remaining to blow. I'm like, it's possible, right? It's either you choose, there's 2 ways to actually do this, right? There's actually 2 ways. If you're not willing to lose the account, risk 0.01 per trade and slowly, you know, recover, which will take you a while. And once you hit at least 1%, risk 0.2, right? You can do that if you don't want to lose the account. Maybe if you are funded, you don't want to start over, or it's a challenge, you just don't want to lose it. You can do that, which will take you a while, which will probably take you a month or 2 or 3. But if you just want to risk, just look for an A+ setup. The one that you're 100% sure, the one that you know that this one will definitely, like, I have high hopes in this setup. You know, perfect, and just risk the whole thing. Risk at 0.5 to make 3% of it is funded. That is crazy. I don't know, man. I don't know. Depends, like I said. If you don't mind losing the account, you can just risk for it. But if you don't want to lose it, just grind it slowly. 0.01 per trade. 0.1% per trade until you get there. Once you 1%, just, 0.01 and look for 1:3 setups at least. 1:3 risk reward, high probability setups, and run it slowly like that. Just gambling it at NFP. Yeah, like, especially today we got FOMC, we got news. So if you want to gamble, risk it, knowing that if you hit SL, it's fine. The account is gone, violation breached, and you can move on from that. If you know you can move on from that, just gamble it. Why not? But if not, don't do it. Don't do it. If you're not ready to lose the account, don't gamble it. Don't gamble it. I like how this is just thinking down. I like how it is doing that. And I like how NAS just turtle souped. This is what I'm waiting for on gold. This is what I'm waiting for on gold. Turtle soup. And then sell it from there. Turtle soup and sell it. I have stopped trading ACCs. Now working with, what is ACCs? Now working with paper trading to gain confidence. Hey man, anything that'll polish your skill. Anything that'll polish your skill. Anything that'll polish your skill. Do it. I realize that there's a lot of people that stopped trading accounts. Hey man, anything that'll polish your skill. But just know that paper trading will make you confident in your trading, but it don't help you with your psychology. Because when the real money is involved, that's when psychology kicks in. It'll help you with confidence in your trading, which can also help you with psychology then there. But psychology, how to dealing with your psychology, emotions, formal, it'll come proper. I'll take you proper. You'll deal with it proper when you're actually trading a real account, when you're dealing with real funds. Yes, I will try to recover it slowly. Yeah man, do that. NZD CAD. What's happening there? Sheesh. Yeah, it's falling in it. Did you sell? Said you were waiting for 15 minutes. AUD CAD. No, I still got AUD CAD there. So you're waiting for a 15-minute market structure shift. So yeah, you're still waiting, so you're good. Still waiting for that setup to form. So look at how the dollar index has rejected from that after taking out Asia low. BC tapped in, reversed. I'm waiting for it to take out Asia high, probably previous day high. If you can actually get to previous day high, that would be insane. That would be insane. But we can still wait for retracement in this, right? On like a 5-minute. If prices can actually come back in here. Can actually come back into that CB there. We can still sell. We can still sell it. Wait, let me see. Why am I doing this? Let's see if can I even trade cost USD? The futures. Let me see. Is nasty. Let's just say we're targeting previous day low. And then going with 3 contracts, 33, 4, 5. Okay, let's just say 8 contracts. Yeah, 8 contracts. Doesn't seem like a bad idea. Jesus, did you just tap that? Hey bro, just longed AUD USD. I haven't really checked AUD USD. And looking at the dollar index, you don't want to be, Jesus Christ. Did you see that? Look at the dollar. Look at the dollar. Why didn't price tap into that CB? Crazy thing, we might reject from this 15-minute CB here. I mean 1 minute CB. But I want the price to actually go in there into the 5-minute. If price can actually go into that 5-minute, I'll be happy to sell. Tap in. I'd actually sell here and there. There's a swing. We're gonna take sells here. If price is not with us, it is what it is. I haven't even looked at the Euro USD. First partial at Asia low, and then the sell is just gonna be the previous day high. That's not previous day high, I'm lying. New York high. New York high, that's the first. That is the first. That is the SL, and then first TP, it's at Asia low, and previous day low is the last TP. So just gonna see how this actually, if you actually get tagged in. If you actually get tagged in there. I'm gonna have that there. Let's create just 10 contract. Let's go with 20. It's a micro. It's a sell limit. If you get tagged in, dope. And yeah. I'm gonna have the same. I can't really, I don't want to do that. I don't even know what I'm gonna, but it's the same thing here, so I can just go with how many contracts? Half of this. Yeah, I can just go with half of this. Check gold once. Gold is still waiting for that buy. I'm not gonna touch it until we take out that buy side. Tavani, I'm not gonna look at gold or execute anything on gold until we take out that buy side liquidity. I'm not gonna do anything. I am not gonna do anything on gold. GBP, same thing. Seems like GBP might be the weaker one. GBP might be the weaker one. Prices didn't even tap into that CB there, 5-minute CB. There's no way. Prices would reject. We can't reject. James said you longed AUD. You longed entry 661 somewhere here. I'm like, I guess total soup there looks good, but for me, man, eesh. Got this balance price range there, and looking at the dollar index, daily is even worse. I don't know. We'll just see how it plays out, man. Just hold it. We'll just see how it plays out. Have you taken trade on gold? No, guys. I forgot. No, guys. I forgot to remove that. That's from the last stream. Ali, no, I didn't take any trade on gold. That was from the last stream. I forgot to remove it. Sorry about that, guys. Sorry about that. Put my SL and TP entry on your chart. You just gave me your entry. What's your TP? You just gave me your entry, so what's your TP? Oh my god. There's no way. There's no way. There is no way, guys. And the crazy thing is that I don't know why I didn't actually pay attention to this inversion. I don't know why I didn't pay attention to the inversion fair value gap, because it rebalanced that. I don't know why I didn't pay attention to the inversion. Should have taken from the inversion. Should have taken from the inversion, but it's cool. It's cool. If we can go back still, that'd be cool. Entry there. SL 71 TP 220. And previous day high. I mean the high, London high. It's crazy that your SL is in a BC. Consequent encroachment. That's your SL. Literally. Very dangerous SL you got there. Very, very dangerous. Very dangerous. I would put it somewhere like this. At least it's a 1:2. But if you got it there, it is alright. You know your risk. But guys, there's no way Eurusd just left like that without us. Ain't no way. Let's see the dollar index. It's flying. I'd like to see some retracement a little bit to give us what we need to tap into that to get tagged in. I think gold will return to the lows. Yeah, probably. Which lows? Asia low. Oh, it's about the lows down there. What is all of this? Let me delete all of this. The low lows. What do you mean the low lows? This one's here. It's about this one's. Yeah, probably. But I want that to be swept. If you can sweep buy side there, definitely gonna go there. Most definite. What do you guys think about GBP? Nah, I'm gonna touch GBP. I'm gonna touch GBP. that can also be a nice entry, which is in discount, which is above the midnight open. So yeah, that's premium price. And yeah, that might not be a bad sell either. Might not be a bad sell either, but I'm here. I am here. I want to see this. If you can actually get tagged in here. I'm in on AUD CAD. I haven't even checked GBP CAD. Dope. GBP AUD. Oh, oof. How did I not look at this? Previous day low swept with turtle soup below. Oh my god. This is also a good trade to take. We even got a 15-minute. Well, it hasn't confirmed yet. Confirm in the next 4 minutes or so. I can just use a 5-minute market structure shift. which already actually confirmed. Price is tapped in. Oh, we got tagged in. Eurusd. We got tagged in. So I'm also gonna take a sell here. I don't even know how much I'll be risking here. It's not even that much. How many contracts? Yeah, just take 6 contracts, and then yeah, if it doesn't play out, it is what it is. We'll see. So this is the first trader. First trade of the session. First trade of the session. Targeting Asia lows on AUD CAD are dope. That seemed like a dope yeah, that looks so clean. And with that being said, GBP AUD also seems like a nice buy. Seems like a nice seems like a nice buy, I don't wanna lie. This also seems like a nice buy. It's the same, almost same setup, because AUD CAD took out highs, going for lows. This one took out lows, going for highs. So yeah, so we're just waiting for that. God damn. USD must bless us too. If we can actually have this 15-minute BC confirm, that would also be nice. Just that here you can't even trade it with futures, so just be forced to. If you are trading futures there, you can't trade this. And I think Kolela, you're the one who's trading futures. Morning all, just came in and I missed that Judas swing on NAS. Yeah, you did. You did. It was in the morning, but we're not trading that. We're not looking at NAS today. We're not looking at NAS. But you definitely missed the Judas. This is what we're waiting for on gold. We're actually waiting for the same thing on gold. If we can actually have the Judas swing. Where's gold? On the previous day high, I'll be happy to sell it. Other than that, I'm not touching it. Not putting my hands on it. So GBP is a stronger one, Eurusd is the weaker one. Look at how it's just tanking to the upside. GBPUSD is going for finally rebalancing the 15-minute CB. So I think we made a good choice by selling Eurusd instead of this. We made a good. Can you explain more about Judas swings? Judas swing is a liquidity run, especially mostly happens in, or you can get it during New York, but perfect one always get it in London session, because in most cases we have Asia, it's always like accumulating, it's always like just accumulating. So a Judas is this fake breakout, I would say. This is a Judas. Take out buy side liquidity. Whenever you take out a high and then drop, is what we call accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. Accumulation, and then that is the manipulation higher to fake people out, manipulate people thinking that we're about to buy, and then finally we distribute lower. So that is a Judas, the Judas swing, faking people out. A turtle soup, Judas swing is the same thing. They're all the same thing. So it's a fake out. It's a fake out. That's what it means. Judas swing, fake out, fake breakout. Shit. Trades that you're on is Euro, USD, sell. I like how we're going so far. I like how it's going so far. Well, it's too early to actually Followed up. I hope trader you got. I know I didn't go in deep into the Judas swing, but I hope you got an idea. Did you enter manually on EU? Wasn't tagged on my limit. What? We were tagged because it's a CB. I just had it at the bottom. I don't know. As soon as it tapped in, the bottom of the CB. As soon as it tapped in, that's where I had my limit. As soon as it tagged in, some accounts I executed manually, but the limits were just here. As soon as it taps in the CB, doesn't matter whether it's a tap and run. As soon as it taps in, sold. So yeah, if you're not tagged in, you probably had it at a consequent encroachment halfway point. That's probably why. So it's a small CB, so I just had it at the bottom. That's what I do whenever it's a small CB like this. I just tag it like the bottom week, the bottom of the CB if I wanna sell. But if it's a big, especially if I'm looking at a 1 hour, I just look at the consequent encroachment of it, halfway point. If it's like this, I just look at halfway point. As you can see here, even here, we actually went for the. So if I wanted to buy here, I'll buy at the halfway point. But because of that one is a little bit slimmer, it's not much. I can just buy at the bottom. At the bottom of it. So yeah. Gold is reversing. Gold is falling. It's falling. Guess we'll wait for buys now. There's this low here and there's that sell side there. We'll see how far the sell will actually go. AD get going clean. Yeah, I'm guessing CAD is losing strength. Nice. Not far from TP. I'm guessing this is going up too, yeah. I don't wanna lie, this is gonna be a nice buy too. This is gonna be a nice buy. It's gonna be a clean, nice buy. Somebody bought, yeah, oof. Yeah, who bought James? I still have hopes, man. Just, we'll see. We'll see how this plays out. And we're in a 1 hour order block. So you're good. Good. You're in 1 hour. A beefy order block, so you're good. This is my reject from there. Looks like the dollar index is going for that Asia high. I would want to see previous day high being taken out. I want to see that. I want to see it. wanna see previous day being taken out. Yeah, since we're going higher, NAS is also falling. Going for the previous day, going for the Asia high, Asia low. And then you got this CB here, this BC. See how price react once we tap into that. What's your Bitcoin view? I haven't really checked Bitcoin in a while. I don't even remember what I was waiting for on Bitcoin last time I looked at it. Yeah, we've been tanking lower. Look at this H4 candlesticks, and in the next 30 minutes we're about to close. It's a very weird price action right now, but whatever prices we're gonna break out of this ranging here, probably might, because we already manipulated a little bit lower in the consequent encroachment of this BC, so we might get more higher prices from here. Prices might just break out and give us more higher prices, because we've already taken out sell side here, we already take out this sell side. Yeah, we might just get more higher prices, but I don't know, man. I don't know what we took out the previous week low and this low too here, so yeah, we might be going lower still. We might be getting more lower prices, but I don't really have much. I don't even know what to look at, what to expect on the Bitcoin at the moment. So yeah, buy side swap there, total souped. Still that one untouched there and the one above it. So what's the next? Drawn liquidity. That daily CB, that daily BC there. That might be the next drawn liquidity. Then you get more higher prices. I don't know. I'm actually hoping for a retracement to enter and target that fair value gap. What are you talking about? Oh Lela, which chart are you actually talking about? Re-enter where? That nice fair value gap you were pointing out. Nice. Oh. Retracement to sell it to that. I got this market structure shift, which is about to be confirmed in the next 8 seconds. That might be your entry. BTC, okay, I'll check that in a while. Yeah, this might be the entry market structure shift, which I'm not gonna take, even though I'm tempted to. Hey, I don't want to fuck with Nas right now. I'm looking at the DXY, we're getting higher prices. It might be a good trade. Not anymore. But yeah. What? What's happening with... Damn, did it reverse like that? What? What happened? What was that? Why did it do that? That was weird. That was weird. That was very weird. But I saw here using the 15-minute microstructure shift doesn't seem like a bad idea. It's also a 5-minute microstructure shift. Not a bad idea. That is looking dangerous. Very, very dangerous. What do you guys think about this? The risk is too much. Yeah, the risk would be too much. Even though it might play out, but the risk is... Nah. No. Nah, I'm just gonna sit this one out. I'm gonna tape read this cell. Just gonna tape read it. Especially now seeing dollar index acting sassy now. What do you think about gold? Hey guys, I've been saying the same thing about gold. I've been saying the same thing. I'm waiting for a buy side sweep to sell. But if you drop lower, I don't know where I would sell. I mean where I would buy. I don't know where I would buy, but for a sell, I'm waiting for buy side sweep. I mean for a sell, yeah, I'm waiting for prices to sweep there, then I'll sell. For a buy, I'm not quite sure. We have this BC right here, which is Asia low. Still don't trust it, but we'll see. What you got? on German. Nothing, my brother. Nothing at the moment. We didn't actually analyze it today. No, buy. It's buying. So whatever trades should be in buys right now. Should be in buys. Let me look at the daily. We're in deep premium. Deep premium. So even if I wanted to take it, I don't think I'd have taken a try to buy. We've got this bearish order block here. We've got that bearish order block right there. Round. We got that bearish order block right there, which is about to tap into it. So yeah. Did you took double entry on EU? No. I don't know why that thing gave us a second sound, gave me a second sound, but it's only one entry. I don't know why there's multiples. Wait, how many control? Yeah, I went with one nah, fam. Yeah, it's only one entry. I don't know what happened. Honestly, I don't know what happened, but I didn't re-enter. I didn't re-enter then. I did not re-enter. What were we looking at? German, right? Yeah, we in that, and then also we got this bullish order block here. So for a sell, I would like to see price break below. Also give us this market structure shift, break below, use that as a breaker block. Use that order block as a breaker block to sell. But if I wanna sell, but if I wanna buy, I don't know. This is the sell. James, this is the sell. I run that word game, bro. You guys already want to do that? Crazy. While we wait. Hey, no problem, man. No problem. What's the word of the day? Word of the day. 5-letter word. Word of the day. 5-letter word. What is it? Water. Good try. Water. Those were my hands clapping, not anything else. That's a good try. That's a good try. So now I just have to replace the W and A. W. Just have to. I realize that there's a lot of people here watching, right? Because I know Trader, James, Mr. Ed, Tolela, you guys are always, Davani, Eli. Like, I know everyone who actually what is this, who actually talks here on the stream. But there's a half of you guys, more than half, I don't actually say anything, guys. Like, just say hi at least. Don't just be ghost. Don't be ghost. Just say hi so I can acknowledge everybody. Because I realize there's a lot of people watching. They only come at the end of the stream. Like, come on, guys. Just say hi at least. Greet everyone so we acknowledge you. That okay, this guy is here, this guy is here, this guy is here. I must say something. You was drinking it. Yeah. What is happening? Why does it keep doing that? I don't understand why. Now it's 10 contract. It keeps executing. It keeps executing more contracts. I don't know why. That sounds dangerous. That sounds dangerous. But it keeps executing more contract. Let me hide this. It keeps executing more contracts, but it is what it is. It is what it is. It's a micro, so nothing to fear. See. Hi, where you from? Kalamen. I hope I'm not butchering your name, Kalamen. I'm from South Africa, man. I am from South Africa. South Africa. They're just here for the signals, bruv. Hey, man. It's fine, but just say something at least. Say something at least. What about me? You left my name. You're always there, of course. Hold it up, you're always there. I know. Shiku, of course. Also you, always there. I know the people. The only one that is my first time seeing is Kelemen. Like I said, sorry for butchering your name. That's the first time seeing you here. Welcome to the stream. Alex, of course, always there. Wake up terribly late today. Hello everybody, waiting for big two, for two big news. Yeah. We got some nasty stuff coming up. New York session. So yeah, guys, just say hi so I can acknowledge everybody. Everybody, you know, just say hi. It won't hurt. So yeah, oh my god, because y'all are always quiet. It's always like 2, 3, 4 people talking, and there's like 15 people watching. It's weird, guys. It's creepy. It's a bit creepy. Must say hi at least. I'm guessing the DXY is actually getting more lower prices. Dollar, I mean, NAS should be. I have a feeling it's gonna fly. It's gonna keep getting more higher prices if the dollar actually gives more lower prices. So yeah, thank you. Do you think Eurusd will dump more from this level? Well, I hope so. Yeah, I'd like to think so. I would like to think so. That doesn't necessarily mean it will, but I would like to think so. I would love to see it drop because I bet money on it. But yeah, because we're still in the CB. We're still in the CB. It's technically still in the entry. We're still in the entry price. So yeah, I'm still expecting my directional bias for the session is still intact. I don't know how. I swear to God. 17. Nah, this is unhealthy now. I don't know what's happening. Why does it keep executing, guys? I don't understand. I don't understand what's happening right now. It keeps executing, but it's not bad. But it keeps executing. I don't know why. It keeps executing. Let's just say let's just leave orders. So those are the only two. So I don't understand why it keeps executing if, because I only placed 2. This is the last time I trade USD here. Yeah, this is the last time I trade USD. I hope here it's not executing. Well, it's not. So, wait. As in, I don't know anymore. James said Kara last time. We'll try it. Major news is EST time. Yeah, what? No, it's 8:30. What do you mean? Wait. PM. Oh yeah. Yeah. We got core CPI though at 8:30 in the morning. New York time. Everything that I say here, it's New York time. So please translate your local to New York. So 8:30 New York, we'll have core CPI. It's gonna be hectic too. And then later on also we got FOMC. Yes. It's gonna be nasty. James, $7 away from passing phase 1. Nice, man. Nice. That is nice. Wait. You're the one who had a buy on... I'm guessing it's paying. Oh, yeah. I guess it's paying. It's paying you. You playing out. Yeah. That's dope. So I'm guessing if TP hit you past or before that, even if it hits before that. If it even hits before that. Yeah, but translate. Translate to your local time. Translate. Before that, that's dope. Yeah, but KB, I don't care about translate. Convert, translate, same thing. They all mean the same thing. Very close, man. As soon as you hit that, close. And if I were you, I would call it a week. To be honest, I would call it a week. Or try not to trade the today New York PM, New York. After you get your phase 2, try not to trade. Try not to trade. This is not good for us, Eurusd, and also NAS should be going higher. Oh, surprisingly enough, NAS is rejecting from that 15-minute market structure shift. But I don't trust the fall on NAS if if the dollar index is getting lower prices. I don't trust it. I do not trust whatsoever. So yeah, those who didn't take, someone said they were not tagged in. Somebody asked me if they executed manually. Holadapo, you should be tagged in now, or unless you just executed manually, you should be tagged in because we're in the CB now. Consequent encroachment. We're in the consequent encroachment of the CB, so you should be tagged in at least. Yeah. GBP nasty stuff. It's gonna be crazy if I actually sold this instead. Oh, seems like it's rejecting off of the 15-minute order block. GBP AUD. I'm only tape reading this. Any other trade? Excuse me. Any other pairs that I'm looking at? Just tape reading. Order block seems to be going for higher prices, even though I would have liked to see it deep into this 15-minute BC. but it seems like we're just rejecting off of the order block, but we'll see. Bullish order block. I'd actually like to see it come reject from this BC here. What else? Aussie, yeah, you should be doing fine. You should be doing fine. Yeah, this is not good. The dollar index going lower like that, it's not good for the NAS and also our trade. Yeah, it was me, but I already moved it when I was not tagged. Oh, you removed it. Oh, you removed it. Okay, cool. Finally rebalance the whole thing. We'll see how that goes. We'll see how that actually goes. If we keep going higher, take out the previous day high. I mean, this new London high that already made. It might not be looking good for us. It won't look good. So we'll just see. The dollar index. James, tell me you are there. Tell me you are there. Tell me you are there. There's no way you haven't got $7. How much position did you go in with? There's no way. Nice. This is what we want to see. Let's clap hands. Let's clap hands for let's go. For James, wanna see more of that. I hope you all had that. Wanna see more of that. Wanna see more accounts passing on the stream. Wanna see more accounts. Hey guys, Carter, right? James suggested Carter. We're gonna try that. Is it a good try? Let's try. No, it's not. It's a anything else, guys? Something else? Anything else? Just have to replace the gray words, the gray letters. See you have to replace them. What's the better? What's clue? Give us a. Let's go. 10 people watching. I know someone can have an idea. Just have to replace the first two letters. Let's see. Well, we can't try meta because meta or meta, I don't know. Because A is not in the letter, so already we wanna try two new words. Not a word that we already tried. We can try A. We cannot try A. I wanted to check how many of you guys watching. Make sure you hit that like button, guys. Make sure you smash. Make sure you smash that like button. Smash it. 10 people watching. Target is 20 likes on the stream. 20 likes on the stream. Let's make sure we get it to 20 likes. Meter. Yeah, meter seems like a good try actually. Because we haven't tried I haven't tried M also, and then E, we're not sure if it's the only E. So meter seems like a good try. I'm gonna try that. Okay, so we know it's a E. Just have to replace the first letter. The first letter is what we have to replace. Literally. Peter. Better. Yeah, better sounds. Yeah, better. Let's try better. Let's try. It's not in the list. Better is not in the list. I wanted to try Peter. How about Peter? I want to try Pete. Is this Peter, right? Guys, this is Peter, right? Don't make me go insane alone. This is Peter, right? Is this Peter? This is Peter, right? Before I hit that enter, is this Peter? You guys are quiet. Is this Peter? Wait a minute, alerts. My alerts don't notify me anymore, no one. Yeah, I'm gonna hit that enter. If P is not there, I know I'm cooked. Fucking hell. Shit. Okay. Trader said, he said, guys, only got 2 tries. How do we have so many clues in the first and still manage to fuck it up? Oh my days. Trader, you already gave me like 3 clues. Like we gotta dial down on one. We gotta dial down on 1. Are you sure about Dita? I don't know. Dita, are you guys sure about that? I'm gonna try it, and then if I do try it, I'm gonna be left with 1 clue, and it would be crazy if we actually get this thing. We don't get the clue. It would be crazy, but I'm gonna try D. Should I hit enter? Because if I do, we'd only be left with 1. James, I think EU ships Asia high. Oh yeah, definitely go in there. Definitely. What do you mean Asia high? We already swept Asia high a long time ago. Try beta, bro. You're not even watching, James, are you? James is not watching. James is not really, definitely, you're not watching here. Recent high, yeah, definitely gonna take out, probably might take out that. James, you're not watching, you're not following here. Leave Euro USD. Did you take it? If you take it, just leave it. Let's let it play out. But yeah, guys, we are here now. Is this the one that I'm trying? I haven't tried beta, guys. What the hell? I wanted to try beta. Oh, it wasn't there. It wasn't there. Ah, trader, you also are not watching. You also are not watching. Beta is two what? James, what are you saying? You mean 2 T's? Crazy. I'm gonna try this. Yeah. And trader suggested that long ago. Long ago. Was it you? Yeah. Suggested that long ago. That's dope. We're good, we're good. We should try to get one on the first try. Or second at least. First guess. We must get that there. We must get that, yeah. We're going for the previous day. The London high that we just created now. Which only makes sense. Because it swapped this. Prices swapped this low. Swap that low. Now we're going for this one. It only makes sense. What is my stops on this? Halfway. Now in here also halfway, so it's fine. If you can actually get that far, the trade was not meant to play out either way. The trade was not meant to play out. How NAS is actually failing at that CB is scary. How NAS is actually failing at that CB is scary. Gold giving us higher prices. Interesting. Interesting. Just tap the random word with the last word. That is crazy. Oh. Yeah, nice. Oof. Yeah, this is crazy. Nuts. Eurusd should be. Let me put this on the watch list. It is not looking good. About to hit SL. Previous day New York session is about to be swapped. And the crazy thing is that might be also be a total soup. Might be, probably, might be. Which means this should be going up. So not in the right market condition to be trading NAS right now. If the dollar index is falling and NAS is also falling, not in the right market condition to be trading NAS. Someone just highlighted something for me on gold, which got my attention. What do you guys think about Jesus? Why is it reversing like this already? To take out sell side, to take out Asia low. Yes, it's silver bullet hour. It is from 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. I actually wanted to sell there, but look at this now. That is insane. I actually wanted to sell there, but look at how it's just taking off. Look at how it's just rejecting from that. It just touched and left. It literally just touched and left. Crazy. Yeah, Eurusd, we hit SL here. There's no way. Yeah, definitely hit SL. Wait, am I still on the trade on? Oh yeah. Trade here. Yeah, just let it go for that. Buy side has been taken out. Previous day high has been taken out. So yeah, if it continues going up, it is what it is. But this is a L. It's the reason why I didn't want to touch anything with the dollar, but we did. So I don't know whether I should 8 pips. Anybody in the trade? Who took the Eurusd? Who took the Eurusd? Who took the Eurusd? Because I want to see. If you're in the Eurusd and you have been tagged out, let me know. Or if you're still in it, let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Are you still in? I did. SL hit. Okay. James Keith. I mean Ali. Ali, are you still in? Are you still in? Are you still in the trade, or you tagged out too? Let's just log it. That's fine. Copy link. Wednesday. But still in it. I entered above your price. So Shiku, you're the only one who got stopped out, innit? Because I wanted to see if everybody's still in the trade. I didn't want to log it just yet. But since I don't know. But either way, I'm still about to bet topped out either way myself. I'm about to get tagged out either way. And okay, yeah, I got tagged out here too. Hey, why are there so many guys? Hey, what's happening? Hey, This thing is surprising, you see? It doesn't close all of them. Hey, this is my last time trading. I'm gonna just close it manually. What a weird... But yeah. Yeah, so we can just log it. We can just log this. It was a sell. Euro USD London -8. No longer about to short. Okay, James. James, aren't you supposed to be taking a break? You just passed the challenge. Relax. Call it a session, my guy. No longer interested in that NAS. I guess it will be no trade this morning. Yeah. Check precision funding. The new best from nah, man. I don't want to check. Hey, you see these new prop firms that are just coming out of nowhere? I want to fuck with them. I'm gonna trade with the ones that have been there for so long, like Top Step. Just that I could use Apex, but Apex I can't use it because they are very they only allow specific countries, so they don't allow South Africans. I don't think they allow any African country. I think they only take Europeans and Americans. If you're anywhere outside the Europe or America, you can actually open with Apex, something like that. So I'll trusted ones. I want the trusted ones. The rest is just noise for me. It is just noise, too much noise. Because this thing of trying new prop firms, I tried that. Managed to pass, make profits, request a payout. Never got my fucking payout. So this thing of trying new prop firms is something else. Okay. But I'll check it out. Precision funding. I'll check it out. Waiting for SL to be hit. Okay, just entered EU short. 2 pip SL. That is crazy. 2 pip SL is insane. 2 pip SL is insane, my guy. What was your entry if you have 2 pip SL? That is crazy. Yeah, took out Asia previous day low. This is just tanking lower now, the DXY, and then yeah, exactly what I was expecting. Selling NAS wasn't a good idea, especially looking at the DXY. Look at what's happening right now. Look at what's happening. 2 pips. Damn. It's insane, bruv. It's insane. 2 pips is insane. Maybe this CB might reject. What's up, bros? What's up? What is up? Entry. Boom, boom, boom. SL hit. let's see your entry. Set entries at and then SL is like what, 2 pips, it's 20. This is your end. This is the God bless you. God bless you. God to bless you. Okay. Look at how gold just reversed from that CB. Insane. Yeah, that's pretty much. I feel like I'll be waiting for gold. The only thing that I'll be trying to get from today is gold. Eurusd actually hijacked it. Does your data has that weekly open gap? TXYU might be going to that. The new week opening gap. Yeah, damn. Yeah, it's up there. That's the new week opening gap, innit? We might be going there. And then you said on the DXY, I haven't really checked it, but let's see. Yeah, there's it. New week opening gap. Prices might be going there, yeah, for sure. Might be going there. Targeting Asia low. Wait, what happened to the... Did I delete it? Yeah, if you're targeting Asia low, that's dope. That is dope. Dope. Guys, have we hit 20 likes for the stream? One more like. We're gonna hit 20 likes. That's the target for the stream every day. 20 likes, I'll be fine.
Have you ever in your entire life seen anything so beautiful?
Man, Ellie, thank you. I forgot that I'm muted. I was talking alone the whole time. I was literally talking alone the whole time. But yeah, I was literally talking alone because I forgot to unmute my mic. So yeah, I was looking at NAS. I was saying that price seems to be rejecting off of that CB that we highlighted there, and then this one might be the weird thing is that prices might use this inversion to actually give us more higher prices. It might actually bounce off of that and then give us more higher prices to take out the high. Or as you can see now, we're just rejecting off of this. So for me, this is not really a high probability trade for me to even be taking. One reason, because we're in an uptrend, right? We're in an uptrend, so me trying to sell right here seems like seems scary. Feels scary. You could, but we'll be going against the trend, so don't be surprised if you get taken out with like some impulsive moves opposite the trade. And also the DXY is getting lower prices, which means higher prices on NAS, which means you should expect higher prices on NAS if you continue going lower on the DXY. So we'll see. And then we got this balance price range here on the 15 minutes. We got this balance price range here, and then price just tapped in a little bit. Prices just tapped in a little bit into that. We might start getting more higher prices. It doesn't have to rebalance the whole thing because we got a balanced price range, so prices might just reverse and give us more higher prices. But I'm no longer interested in a sell anymore, even though this rejected it so quickly. But yeah, I'm no longer interested in that. The way it's looking right now, it's not looking good at all. And then we got also this, it's a breaker, because this is not a bullish order block, it's a bearish order block. So let's just call it a block. It's a breaker block, so prices might just coming to rebalance that and then giving us higher prices. So that might be the case. So I'm just gonna look at this during the New York session, because we're left with like 35 minutes for the New York London kill zone to end. So yeah, I'll just see it during New York. But the only thing that I'll probably hesitate to take trades on New York is so many news. There's so many news, so we'll see during New York. Yes, it can, I think New York session, give gold or take for sure. So yeah, crazy. We'll see how this plays out. That DXY reversing a little bit. Do 5% allow trading index? Nah. You can trade indices. You can trade indices, but index you can't. Like the dollar index, you can't trade the dollar index. You cannot. London kill zone ends at 5 a.m. Yeah. It ends at 5 a.m. Starts at 2 a.m. ends at 5 a.m. Let me pull up the Hey guys, Wagwan, how are you? How are you? So yeah, as you can see there, we got the kill zones, forex kill zones. Asia is from 2 a.m. I mean 8 p.m. sorry, to midnight, and then London is from 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. New York is from 7 to 10. And then obviously got the London closes and all that nonsense, and then index features, kill zones. You got it. Then you got your macros, macro times for London session. And then currently right now we're in the last macro for London. Currently probably guessing we're in the last macro for London. Yeah. And then you got the silver bullets and all that jazz. Yeah. Thanks for your time, bro. Yeah, you're welcome. What do we have on GJ? I haven't literally looked at the chart. Literally. We're flying. Buy side swept. Taking up buy sides. That's what we're doing, I guess. We're taking up buy sides. We're taking up buy sides. That's what we're doing. Just taking up buy sides. I haven't really analyzed it today, so yeah. DXY is still tanking low. Still tanking lower means NAS weird. Seems like it's rejecting off of that 15-minute CB. Yeah, seems like it's rejecting off of that. Gold also going lower. Interesting. Eurusd still going higher. Eurusd is definitely gonna still continue going higher. So yeah. Yeah. Guys, I think that's pretty much it for the session for me. That's pretty much it for the session. The only thing I'll be waiting for is gold. Gold is my baby now. I'll be watching this over. Main focus is on gold. So yeah. Guys, have any question? That is insane. 80 came back. months we should be getting that on GBP. Nah. Oh yeah. I thought we were gonna get, is it a 5 million? Should have went back to tap in it. Should have went to tap in it. Oof. Yeah, there's one trade that I actually wanted to participate in. It was too clean. But yeah, AUD CAD should still continue. And if it continues until the New York session, maybe the CAD news might help you, because we got, but they're happening a little bit later in the PM session. And then also later we got unemployment rate. So if it's still holding by then, maybe AUD might come out negative, CAD come out positive, you know. It might be saved. It might be saved. But yeah, until then, we'll see. Guys, I think that's it for me for the session. We already got the waddle. We're good. And yeah, trades has been updated. Everything lost. Forgot that. We got that. So yeah, guys, I will catch you guys tomorrow definitely on the next stream. And yeah, be there, be early, be there. And yeah, peace guys, thanks for being here, thanks for watching, peace.